Hi, this is Tammy from TM's Crafts and More. I know I have been missing for quite a while, and I'm going to try to come back and do some videos, but this is a very short information video on how to do these templates. I printed them off, and I also put them in a group, which I will put the link down below, so come on over and join us. And this is called Trash to Treasure, and what we are doing here today is, like I said, I printed off these templates here, and the information for the templates will be down below, and this is what I made from them. There's a little pocket here, and got your little tag, which we have not completed yet because I'm going to do this step by step with you, so this way you can craft along with me. It fits nicely in the little envelope there, and what I used for that was, I have an old book here. It's actually Pinocchio from back in the 30s, and I used the book to cover up the front here. And this is the bag from cereal, and I'll give you a little bit of information on this. I figured this out along the way. When you put your template on here to cut it out, you want to tape it on. Do not trace it, because unless it's something that you can remove, because you will be able to see your trace lines. And so what I did was I had taped it on there, so this way it didn't move whenever I cut it out. And then what we're going to do is, after you trace it on there and you cut it out, I guess I had it upside down there, you want to fold this up and then just put these over like this, and then your bag will come out looking like this. Now, I used Fabri-Tac, but you can still see the glue. I did not smear it out enough, but by the time I'm done with this bag, you will never see this, because I'll just put something up and down the sides here to cover up that glue. But for the card, I used cereal box. So we're just using an empty cereal box and the bag from the inside. And like I said, I will be leaving a link down below, so come on over and join us, and join in our monthly challenges. Have a good day. Thanks.